Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving northeast on Allamanda Drive towards Guango Place in Portmore Pines, Portmore, St. Catherine Parish. To the right is Cedar Avenue, and we are turning off Allamanda Drive onto Guango Place. Portmore Pines is a neighborhood in Portmore, and it is situated nearby to the neighborhoods Silverstone and Newland. Notably, Portmore is a large urban settlement located along the south coast of Jamaica. Portmore is nicknamed the Sunshine City. Guango Place ends and we are turning back to Allamanda Drive. We are back at Allamanda Drive, and straight ahead is Cedar Avenue. Going right will take you towards Cashew Avenue, and going left will take you towards Coconut Place. Turning onto Allamanda Drive. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.